You guys, we are here. I hope you all are ready because this is going to be an absolutely insane week. This is one I know a lot of us have been waiting for, and we're finally at the release week. Let's see who all is going to get a retail W this week. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. Ball like swish. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with raw, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell to get all the notifications every time I drop one of these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at therealhegotkickz, and of course the half page Perfectbrimz, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. You guys, today's video is something that honestly I know a lot of us have been waiting on. We are talking about the release week that is ahead of us, and one that I know a lot of us have anticipated. And of course, you guys, we are talking about the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester brick after brick. This sneaker releases this coming Friday, which is May 22nd. Retails $230. It is up on the SNEAKERS app, everything like that. Again, we're going to go over resale really quick. Again, this is something that has continuously just gone down, and again, it's kind of went back up, and some people just held on to them and this and that, but it still kind of stayed steady in most sizes. Right now, a 10 is $351, a 10.5 is up at $440, 11 is $434, 11.5 $598, 12 $544. Geez. 13 is $555. So 11.5 to 13. Good luck, you guys. I have a feeling there's not going to be that many of those on sneakers. It seems like. A 9 is at $350, a 8 is $326, an 8.5 $347. The lowest ask is $323, which is a size 7 men's. Honestly, you guys, I think that it's going to kind of stay steady there over the next couple of days. But again, $230 for retail. Again, I'm not going to try for any sizes. So again, if any of you are going for a 10, you don't have to worry about me going for it at all. Because yeah, again, we'll talk about that on a later date. I'm probably going to be going for my girlfriend's size, which is a 4.5. Be going for that. But you guys, this is not the only release that we have this week. We also have the Air Jordan 12 Bloodlines that is coming out on the 23rd. This coming Saturday. And this is a shoe, again, I know a lot of you all have been waiting on. So we have back-to-back great releases that people have been wanting. We have the Nigel Air, we have the Nigel brick after brick, and the Air Jordan 12 Bloodlines. So I think this one, I honestly think this one is going to, of course, it's a GR. We know that. I think it's going to sell a little bit better than what I thought it would. Because again, the resale on this one, last time we looked, it actually was still up there in some sizes. So again, if that's the case, like right now, man, right now it's $260 in a size 10, which did not expect that at all. Last sale was $261. 10.5 is $239, 11 $229, 12 is $261, 11.5 $240, 13 $265, 14 $259. I mean, it's still right there, just about $20 over retail, because again, retail's $215. Yeah, I honestly think at this point, I think these will do a little bit better than what I thought they would, because again, I did underestimate the whole Roman Reigns WWE stuff, and that was my fault. Hey, I just looked at the shoe, went off what I thought, and yeah, so again, my bad. But the shoe of the week, we already know, is this one. This is the one everybody's going for and everything. So again, they're talking about there's going to be like 45,000 on the SNEAKERS app, stuff like that. That's not a lot whenever you're talking about how many people are going to be going for this shoe. 45,000 pairs is not a lot of pairs on the SNEAKERS app. This will probably get over, I would guess, a couple 100,000 entries. Again, it could be more. It's all going to be, it looks like a Leo release, which is a 2-minute draw, so you have to get in pretty quickly. Again, I wish they would kind of push it to like a 10-minute draw and make it to where it's a little bit easier for everybody to get in. But we know how Nike's going to do. They're going to do whatever they want to do. But again, I would think that draw would be a little bit better, but we'll see. Hopefully this is one that we do actually see some restocks on, because again, we did see the brick by brick have a couple small things like the Sneakers Pass at Complex Con. We had the one restock that was supposed to happen, but then everything got leaked and then it got canceled. So all that stuff kind of happened and everything, and that's just part of it, I guess. But again, this is a major week right now, and we are following it right back up with another crazy week with, of course, both the Travis Scott lows and the Toro 4s next weekend. So again, that's another crazy weekend. This is just one that I think a lot of you guys are really going to enjoy a lot more than any of the others. Because again, like the other Travises, I've been thinking like they're nice, but again, it's just not something that I may need in my collection. I have a lot of the Travises, but I just don't think it's like something that is a must cop for me, in my personal opinion. So yeah, I might end up passing on the Travises just to see how it will go. Again, I will try for retail just to see, but after that, I'm not really going to try to pay resale if I can keep from it. But at the end of the day, they killed this. Material's great, and yeah, I think everybody's going to really enjoy grabbing a pair if you get it for retail. And if you don't have to pay that much for resale, I still think you will enjoy this pair quite a bit. I really like it. And again, the Bloodlines, I know a lot of you guys have messaged me and asked me about these and stuff like that. It was just way too high early, and I think that also caused a little bit of why the resale is still where it is right now. Resale was just way too high. All the prices for the early pairs was just nuts. So that's just kind of how that goes. But I do think this is a great shoe. I think that a lot of people will enjoy this as well. But I'm looking forward to, of course, the Nigels. This is one that isn't one that's like a must in my opinion. I will probably let one of you guys grab this if you guys, I'm gonna see how it goes. If it sells out, then I'll let one of you guys get this for that retail plus shipping. Other than that, it's not going to be a lot going on after that. We have like a week or two of a little bit of a break. Then of course you have the Black UNC 5 and stuff like that. So we got a little bit of a break after a crazy couple weeks here in May, so definitely looking forward to that. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys plan on doing. Are you guys going to go after the Bloodlines? Are you guys going to go after the brick after brick? I'm really curious what you guys are going to do, because again, either one of them is a good pickup in my opinion. I just think, again, this is the one everybody's going to go after. So let me know what you guys think. I'm genuinely curious. Again, where do you guys think resale will go on either one of these? Do you guys think this is going to be below retail? Do you guys think this is going to sit? How far down do you think these will go? Again, some people were making good points saying that the brick by brick when they released was like $350, $360 in that area, and now it's a $600-700 shoe. That is a very valid point. Again, that's something that slipped my mind as well, because it definitely was that low at one point, because I was thinking, man, I overpaid a lot. And then I eventually got to the point where I was like, oh, I actually got a great deal, at least on my second pair. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Let's have a great week. Again, let's have some good luck, and hopefully a ton of people get retail W's for the brick after bricks. I love you guys. Appreciate y'all, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.